Chỉ biết cho món mình chơi ở biết sự đi lúc nào học được chưa? All right, we're going to pick a dance competition. Are you guys ready? I said, are you ready up there? What about over here? What about back here? All right,那就等于就是这个比赛，首先看到你那边，你大家都都共备的路哦，呢個先對南無可南無等態咯，佢咁道理以上，大家都多先對入邊用錢邊度咯。I'd like to welcome everybody to our New Year. Today is the last day of our New Year 2025. I hope that you're ready to bring that energy. I hope you're ready to bring that pride. Because we're about to begin our dance competition. And first up, I'm going to introduce our judges that will be judging these dances. First up, we got Pam Wood. Pam Wood from Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Is your recruiter. Her bio, she's been a Hmong dancer for 15 years. My dance group has been part of the Hmong New Year celebrations and other events across Wisconsin and Minnesota. Her group has participated in won various dance competitions showcasing Hmong, Lao, Thai, Chinese, and Indian dance styles. So the people think, let's think about it for Pam Wood.